right, here's the method that uses a hand pump. So there's the hand pump, and it is connected to a sealed container. Just important that the part that the inlet from the pump actually vents all the way on top, so that way it's not going to draw brake fluid into the pump, because that'll ruin your pump. Brake fluid, like I said, is sort of corrosive, so you don't want it in things like that. And then you draw a vacuum, and then when you open up the bleeder valve, then the air will come out. So this is a pretty fast way to do it, but like I said, it just requires a little bit extra equipment. Those one-way check valves are cheaper and very easy to use. You can see all the air coming out of there. So this process actually works pretty fast. All right, so now the system's completely bled. I got a nice firm feel of this. I got my reservoir cap back on. Keep in mind, you want that as full as possible, but you have to account for that little rubber bladder on the top, because if you filled it all the way to the top and then you put this cap on it, you're going to get a bunch overflowing, which isn't the end of the world. Just make sure you wipe it up. The stuff's corrosive. Keep it off your plastic and parts and hands and such. All right, but should be a nice performing braking system now.